Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you'll see a lot of how-to projects. On the previous episode, you saw me taking baking soda and vinegar and cleaning my headlights with them. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to seal it, so stay tuned. So after you finish cleaning your headlights, one of the main things you want to do is seal it properly. I would recommend a Meguiar's clear coat
spray. All you have to do is spray it on once a year.
Yellowing, oxidation, you won't have to worry about it. It'll stay crystal clear. I'll show you exactly how to do it using Meguiar's headlight coating, and you'll only have to do it once a year. Now let's get started. This is Meguiar's headlight coating. So first thing you're gonna do is make sure that your headlights are completely clean. Second, you're just gonna mask off the car to prevent from overspraying. Literally, it's gonna take 2 coats to put this on. The first coat is gonna be a medium coat. Once you put the first coat on, you let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. See how that oversprays there? And when we spray it, we're just gonna sweep. Just a medium coat, the first coat. Medium coat, first coat. Now we're gonna let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now it's time to put the second coat on. We're gonna apply a medium coat this time. And we're just gonna go over. Now remember, if you do this, you'll only need to do this once a year. And they'll stay crystal clear for that entire year. Meguiar's headlight coating. That's all you're gonna need. Just remember, before you use the headlight coating, they need to be completely cleaned. So if you haven't already checked out my previous video on cleaning headlights, I used baking soda and vinegar to get these clean like this. So go check it out.